Good morning. My name is Juan R. Barrera. I am a teacher at YB Elementary. I am currently enrolled in the Master's Program for Administration. This recording is actually to meet the requirement for participating video option number 3 for our practicum handbook. I'm being asked here to interview the following school leadership personnel regarding the use of technology to manage the department. Some of the departments that we will be going to visit and interviewing is going to be our maintenance department, food services, transportation, human resource, our PIMS, or PEIMS department, and our nurses department. Together with my mentor, we collaborated with time. We set up time schedules to go and interview these personnel, and we came up with some questions. We will have an introduction, which we are conducting right now, and we will have a reflection. Now, the standards covered for this video are going to be learner-centered organizational leadership and management. It says here, principal is an educational leader who promotes the success of all students through leadership and management of the organization, operations, and resources for a safe, efficient, and effective learning environment. The campus level principal understands values and is able to use technology to enhance school management. So it's basically going to be using our management through the use of technology. Now, I came up with some questions with my mentor. Just some simple introductory questions that I'll be asking today. The first one can be, what is your name? And the interviewer will state their name. What department are you in charge of managing? Use the word managing because they are managing the department, they are managing other employees, and they have to foresee the ongoing day-to-day activities at the school. And where we want to get into deep thought is, what are your thoughts on technology? Do you agree or disagree? So I'm starting off with an agree. If they like technology, and then they can answer me, or they disagree. And they have the option to describe what they like about it or not. Now, the other thing was, what types of software is used in your department? I really want to see if they can be specific enough to the software that they are using, if they're similar to the ones that we use in our day-to-day operation as well as a teacher. Like the Microsoft Word, we have the TEACS, we have the sign-in the mornings with a finger identification and our ID number. We are using Excel spreadsheets. Email is the main one, I believe, that these personnel are using. And the other one is, how has technology changed from the past, from when you started to now? Some of these people that are going to be interviewing have been in these positions long. Others have not been that long in these positions. So we're going to get a point to see how has it changed technology from when they started. Some of these personnel had other positions back in the day, and I mean back in the day like 10, 20, 30 years ago, and now they're working under this department, and how has the technology changed for them. Another thing is, another question that we made, that I created was, how does technology enhance management in your department? And I also wanted some input from them as what technological improvements are needed to help enrich your department. As you all know, everything needs to improve, and day to day, technology keeps improving and improving. So that's why I decided to come up with this question, because I wanted to see if they feel that are they obsolete with what they have, or do they have enough technology? Because every day technology is being created. There's new softwares coming up, new computers being made, new cameras, and paper is just a thing of the past nowadays. But technology is also being used for this paper, like for the questions. So that's one of the questions that I had. The other one is, it falls under, do all employees in your department have the appropriate technology training to be able to perform their duties? It's real good to have all this technology, but what I want to know is, are they properly trained? Do they know how to use all this technology? Because I can give a laptop to somebody, and if they don't know how to turn it on, well, then what's the use of having the best laptop in the world? That's one of the examples I want to see. I also want to hear like development. I want to hear trainings, professional development. Actually, is one of the main ones. And the last question that I decided to create was, do you think technology is an essential tool in your department? Or the other one that I can ask him is, do you think your department will run smoothly with technology? And that will really open up a lot of depth from them to see if they really do need it or not, and what are some of the benefits from this technology. So, hope you're ready to go interview these people. Sit back and enjoy it. Thank you.